Hello, so this is my next project. It's the Marin mountain bike frame I bought. I'm going to paint it up using some orange paint I've got, see how far I get. And I've bought some stickers, I've got a load of parts for it. Yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Right, that's it painted. That's as far as I got with the orange paint, and then I just finished the rear off with black. And you've got some decals on there. That's it, go get it built up now and I'll show you once it's done. And this is it done. It's all built up. It's a mix of Marin and Ovation parts, which is like Marin's own brand of parts. Dior 9-speed shifters and brake levers. Ovation, what's it called? The V-brakes. Ovation hubs. Oh, you can't see the logo there. You can just about see the logo on the rear. If you look down there. Dior front derailleur. Acer rear. Ovation, what's it called? Crankset. And yeah, fit's come out nice. Definitely a lot better than it was with the crazy paint job the frame had to begin with. Manitou forks. There we are.